create your meeting link. Welcome to Salesmate's Meeting Scheduler, the ultimate tool to seamlessly schedule meetings with clients, prospects, or team members directly from your CRM system. Our meeting scheduler integrates effortlessly with your CRM, enabling you to schedule meetings right from the website, sales pipeline, contact records, or emails. Say goodbye to the endless back and forth emails. Our solution streamlines the scheduling process and ensures finding a common time for all attendees is a breeze. Let's dive into setting up your first meeting scheduler. Begin by navigating to the sidebar menu and selecting the Meeting Scheduler option. Before proceeding, please ensure you've connected your Google or Microsoft Calendar with Salesmate. If you haven't done so already, you can easily connect your calendar by selecting your preferred provider and authenticating your account. For comprehensive guidance on this step, refer to our help portal and corresponding videos. Once your calendar is synced, click on Create Meeting Link to set up your first scheduler. Salesmate offers various meeting types tailored to your business needs. A one-to-one event type is a meeting between a host and an invitee, ideal for focused discussions or collaboration between you and your prospect or customer. A group event type is a one-to-many meeting with one host and multiple invitees. Allow multiple invitees to meet with you at one time, same as scheduling a webinar. A team event type allows for booking meetings between multiple Salesmate hosts when they are commonly available. For instance, a new customer can book a slot when both the associated sales and account managers are free. A round-robin event type is a type of one-on-one meeting that cycles through your team, depending on your team's availability or distribution preferences. For instance, if a customer wants to book a meeting with any available support representative at a particular time to resolve their problem. Let's begin with setting up a one-to-one meeting. Start by providing the meeting name and description, which will be visible to your contacts when booking the event. Next, customize the meeting URL, a link you can share with your customers to book a meeting on your calendar. Add essential details like meeting location, which can be in person, Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, depending on your connected accounts. Select the default activity type booked via scheduler, and add tags as needed. Once done, hit the Save button. After creating the link, you can configure date and time availability, set your meeting date range, availability schedule, duration, buffer time, and other essential details. Form questions. Ask prospects and customers qualifying questions when booking meeting. You can include existing Salesmate fields or add custom questions. Empower your forms. Decide how known information pre-populates fields for returning contacts. Extend your invitations. Enable invitees to include additional guests with automated calendar invitations and reminders. Enhance security. Safeguard your meeting scheduling by implementing CAPTCHA verification to prevent bot interference. Confirmation message. Display Salesmate confirmation page or redirect to an external site. Success messages. The description will appear as an additional context to success message. Email notification. Choose confirmation, cancellation, and reminder notification options. Click Update to complete the basic settings for your meeting scheduler. Now, it's time to host the scheduler on your website or forms using the Embed option. Simply copy the code and paste it onto the relevant page of your website. You can also use it while composing emails to your leads and customers. Share these links via email. Offering recipients the option to book appointments based on various time slots that suit their schedule. Additionally, explore some advanced settings, like meeting links and embedded code, calendar selection and global availability. For detailed instructions on these settings, refer to our help articles for more insights. Empower your sales process with Salesmate's Meeting Scheduler today.